What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we got the boys here. Look who the boys are. Okay, that one's depressed over there.
Wow.
So we're obviously gonna install this.
A new exhaust.
Actually, they they don't know what's in there. They just knew something came in. They knew something came in.
Much.
Oh,
so you can only
how
guess.
much?
$4,864.
You passed. Anyways, so we're gonna be installing this. So obviously by the thumbnail and title, you guys know exactly what it is. So it's obviously a front lip, and we're gonna install that real quick for you guys. Javier put them on like this. So what do you guys think? You guys like it like this more without the other part, or the whole thing? I mean, I'm gonna put the whole thing, but just what do you guys think?
We gotta be wasted over. And also,
Caught your finger?
yeah, I got my finger.
Want to use another one?
Catches my finger again.
All right, round two.
Yeah, you gotta do it for the camera, you know.
Just catch your finger. Come on.
It's fake it. Hold on. Damn, dude, this definitely doesn't look like something's gonna fly away. Look at Brad's face.
Javier, do some workouts.
Oh.
There you go. We gotta get them gains. Okay.
Wait, like EA games or like the other games?
Either one.
Okay. Pull up the GameStop. Stock swing to the roof.
AMC, the gym, at the gym. Oh wait, no. AMC's a movie theater.
Roland, hurry up! We're getting stupider.
We're waiting for Roland to bring a jack because.
So this is all gonna make it in the video
Do the
because
demonstration.
Yeah. So
Car is too low.
basically, Brian doesn't pass the iPhone proof. So if you have an iPhone 10, you know how low Brian's car is. So I was out here.
iPhone 10 Plus.
Okay, plus. I think it's the same lens. It's just a screen.
I don't think so.
Well, I mean, if you,
Can you not? I like my phone.
dude, really, you do? Come on.
They can't see that.
Oh.
dude, have you ever thought about what if I was gonna take this front bumper off now? You better never change this
Why?
light.
You don't have to do that. What are you talking about?
Because you're gonna take the lid first, and then you can take the front bumper off.
No.
Oh, you just realized that? I was looking for this. Okay, that's rude. If you are planning on getting this front lip, I would recommend you do like all your front mount, intercooler, headlights, paint this thing, do the kidneys and all of that. first because now you gotta take the lip off and then you can take the front bumper off. Actually, no. Then you can take the under panels off, then the front bumper off, then rolling can shut up, and then we can finish it.
Wow. You have a rock.
Okay.
Where's the little screws that were here?
Oh, they're still on. Okay, I'm not gonna put them in yet. Let me see. We had line at least one. Are we gonna have the same problem on this side? Because the bumper's pushing it that way. There you go. Apúrate. It's not getting it. And push it this way. There you go. I got it. Alright.
Go. Yeah,
I know.
that little lip is still open.
Keep going.
I don't want to make righty tighty and turn into lefty loosey. Or righty tighty into lefty. Righty, ¿cómo era el chiste?
Righty tighty becomes
Righty loosey, yeah. Yeah, right there's tight enough.
There you go, that looks good.
All right, so we're just finishing up right now. Javier's gonna put down the car with the jack, but this is how it's looking. We're gonna get you better angles in a second. Hold on.
Everybody but watch.
What do you guys think? It looks good, right? I like it.
Style that I'm gonna put on mine.
What do you guys think? I think it looks really sick. I really do like it. It just darkens the car more and gives it more.
It looks badass. I like the little.
I like it.
Middle.
You like?
Yeah, I like the little thing in the middle.
Yeah. You like?
Yeah.
Roland says he's getting another one for his. His is down there. People. You. Oh, there you go. You can't see it too much, but as you can see, he has the sides.
I'm gonna make everybody jealous. Watch this, buddy.
We're waiting.
It's focusing on my
It is.
There you go.
And, oh well. Wow.
Damn, Roland.
Flexing with the trunk.
So yes, I really do like it. It really does change the look. I feel like I've been needing this for like forever because the front was just so dry and dead. So this definitely makes it more aggressive and like gives it more of a newer look. It just looks so much better. Like, you know, any carbon fiber anywhere in the car, it just makes the car look better. So definitely I would cop if you don't have anything in the front or any type of accessories. I would definitely either get the headlights or the front lip, but either one's gonna change the look of your car. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the video. We have the lip on. It looks amazing. I've been enjoying it. Just looking at it, it's been amazing. It just completely changed the front. Like, I feel like I added more to the car. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps out the videos. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any content. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.